Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. Guys, if your HP LaserJet printer is not printing at all or light copy or a very dim print, even there is a new tuner inside, printer is not printing black color very well or very not a fine quality. There can be several problems. Today in this video we will discuss about this problem that you will face in your printer. There will be a laser unit inside that area. Okay, this laser unit we will clean today without disassemble the printer. Okay, this laser unit may cause to the poor print quality or fade print or light print copy. Okay, so we have to use cotton bud, and with the use of cotton bud we will clean the laser unit. Okay guys, and the laser unit is in that area. If you will see with my camera, I will make a little close this camera. This part behind there is a laser unit. Okay, there is inside laser unit one glass mirror inside we have to clean. This is the door. Okay, we have to take cotton bud and insert inside. This is the door. Okay, when you will pull this thing inside, the door of laser unit will open, then we will clean. I insert the cotton bud now, and you will see just like cleaning now, and see there is a toner on the mirror. This mirror, if there is a dust on the mirror or the black toner on the mirror, printer will not print. The copy of print is not very fine quality. And now you can see I am cleaning again, and you will see there is a lot of toner inside on the mirror. The laser unit is a combination of some mirrors, so you have to use cotton bud and clean it well 2 or 3 times without disassemble the printer. If we have to disassemble the printer for laser unit cleaning, it is a huge process, a lengthy process, very hard to disassemble. Just clean it with the cotton bud and open the door for laser unit well, and then check again, clean it. I have to clean it multiple times. Sometimes when you replace the tuner, if you will refill the tuner automatically went inside the laser unit, and it can reduce the print quality. So now I will return back the tuner cartridge, insert it back, and I will close the top cover. Now we will check printer is initializing, and now we will check I will give print test page command from my computer, and then we will see the print quality, and hopefully it will be different than our existing one. This was the existing one, and now it's printing the copy test page, and you can see the huge difference. Before it was not printing at all, and now the black color is printing in very fine quality. Okay, that's you see the difference. Look at this. Okay, uh, this was the old one, and this is the fresh after cleaning the laser unit that I just mentioned earlier, the laser unit cleaning process. Okay, if I will open the door again, I will show you one other thing. Sometimes the top, this you can see, this is a lock for the laser unit door. There is a plastic on the cover. If this plastic is broken, then also this laser unit cover will not open automatically. So you have to see that this plastic lock should be there, and right after close the cover, the printer should open the laser unit door, then clean it well. Okay, and that's it for now. This is the method to clean the laser unit. If you like the video, give a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching. All the best.